Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel Zamora. Thank you so much for watching. So for today's video, I decided to create a part 2 to this $5 makeup kit series. It's not even really a series, it's like a two-parter, right? I was smart enough to buy another one while I was there, and like the witch one was really fun, but like it was a mess, it was a hot mess, and it's totally fine. But we're gonna try to see if like another kit can totally work without having to finesse it. Like I low-key, like it's Frankenstein, but I feel like they don't have the rights to it, so they just call it a monster, so it's a monster. But look, it comes with like the bolts, it comes with teeth. I don't even need veneers, I live. So I'm gonna try to attempt this. Frankenstein is the scientist. Oh my God, you guys, this is a monster. Oh my, then why the is it called Frankenstein? Whatever, right? I'm gonna be a monster, Frankenstein's creation. But also, before we dive into this video, you guys, is sponsored. You know by who? By Ipsy! I will be using a lot of the Ipsy Glam Bag products for the month of October to create this look. For the month of October, I have to keep it Halloween related. So, without further ado, let's see if this comes out good. This is what it looks like. This is $5. I'm like kind of baffled, like, how do you really make things for $5? So it comes with teeth, it comes with scar wax. So I'm gonna try to create that thing. Then it comes with that purple and green stupid looking, oh look, the brow pencil. And then it comes with that. And then we have more of that cream makeup. And then another little beauty sponge. Caution, do not use purple in the eye or on the lips. Do not use green on the lips. Do not use fake blood in eye area. Do not put scar wax into your eyes, ears, nose, or mouth. Based on like last time's video, I feel like I really slayed that video. Like I was really like the best looking millennial witch. This is gonna be my inspo. Dude, if I break out, like this is all over my face. I just don't wanna break out. Did I rip the instructions? Ingredients used are recognized as safe. Recognized as safe. Preparation, read all instructions, plan your design, use photos as a guide, wash and dry your face. Okay, so first product is gonna actually be out of my glam bag. This is the Elizabeth & Mom Thank Me Later Face Primer, and it is a mattifying primer. If you're really oily like me, your oils are gonna like go like crazy and break up the entire makeup. So if you're wanting to wear Halloween makeup like this for an extended periodical time, make sure you use a mattifying primer. Well, this is actually really pretty, it feels soft. So I'm adding an extra layer over my nose just because that's the area that I tend to get like really oily. And this is also gonna act like a good layer, not allowing that greasy makeup to get into your skin. One plus side, he has no eyebrows. I don't even need brows for this video. But it looks like he's green. They didn't even give me green paint, but the witch had green paint. First impressions, you guys, it's just as creamy as the purple one. It smells so gross. Oh my God, okay, I'm gonna grab my little mirror. Hi everyone, we're like the same person. Okay, let's see. Let's try to do it with a brush. Wait, why is there gray? I hate this video already. Let's try to like dive into this little nugget, the green one in here. See, that's what money buys you. Money buys you pigment. I'm really becoming green. Okay, like, I feel like I'm supposed to try to be using this side. I feel like I'm cheating by using the flash palette. I look like the Grinch, dude. Sometimes I wonder, like,
why do I do these things? Why am I doing these things of me just doing this for the internet? Why? For your entertainment?
Because y'all live though, don't say you don't. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do the rest of the green with the flash palette, okay? We're gonna put a poll somewhere around here if you like hate me for doing that. So you can say yes, you can say no, but I'm gonna go do that and I'll be right back. So I'm green with envy because makes me sad that some people don't have to do this for their channels, and I do. But like, the people that do this are like special effects makeup artists, and I'm just like over here like swearing I'm a makeup artist, like figuring it out. But I feel like this tutorial isn't to learn how to become Frankenstein's monster, right? It is basically, can a $5 makeup kit really work? Well, apparently it cannot. We've learned that from the first video, and then this video, we're not gonna look a mess. So basically what I'm gonna do is, as I go, if it's not possible to execute well, like I just don't wanna look I actually want this to come out pretty. Like, I actually want to post a photo of this and be like,
yay, look, I'm actually a makeup artist.
Whatever, y'all understand, right? Okay, so the green in this does not work. I don't recommend it. I definitely recommend buying the Makeup Forever Flash Palette. Is that what it's called? This one, this Makeup Forever one. It's pretty pricey, I'm not gonna lie. But I've had this now for like over a year. And like, look, everything is still relatively full. If you don't wanna buy it, that's perfectly fine. But like, if you break out and you got no pigment on your face, that's on you. I told you what to do. Let's move on. So when you have an oily base type of situation, you wanna make sure that you set it. So I'm gonna just grab just like loose setting powder. This is the Patrick Star one. I'm gonna use my KKW brush that I like never use because I just don't like a double-sided brush. See how it makes it more matte? It's gonna be a lot easier to add products going down the line, like contouring. Am I gonna contour? Yeah, I need to contour. Like, I look like the Grinch. Mr. Grinch. Maybe for Christmas, I'll be the Grinch. Look at me. I already know how to do the skin. Okay, so now that I'm green and matte, what's next? Like, what's next? Why does he look like a serial killer? Where is black paint? Like, homeboy, where is your black paint? You have black paint all over your eyes. Like, this is misleading. They stay swearing, fuckers. That thing doesn't come with black, so let's see what we can do. So if you have a flash palette, comes with black. Or you can also, I did this the other day, I don't know if y'all saw it on my Instagram, the blue skull, which I'll put somewhere around here. I actually used black liner by MAC. So if you have liner at home, this one is a Black Track by MAC. It definitely doesn't have to be this fancy because like liner tends to dry up instantly as opposed to a cream-based product. These don't tend to dry up. You definitely have to set them. I'm gonna use the flash one because I'm actually gonna end up setting it with some shadows that I have in my glam bag. I love a smoky eye. We need fucking dark circles, dude. Okay. How low can it go? Like this low. You guys, the mission is to not let this look bad. Like, you know when you do like your regular makeup and you're like,
Ooh, like, I see the potential.
like, I don't know what the potential of this is. So I'm kind of like concerned. Like if you really like just saw this, what am I? Oh my God, I'm a Ninja Turtle. Donatello. You know, I never watched Ninja Turtles growing up. Like, I never watched it. I was just like,
Really? Turtles from the sewer got contaminated and other, like, things and they, like, save the world, but they still live in the sewer system? Like, really?
I know I love a fantasy, but really? I even almost watched the one with Megan Fox because Megan Fox is like stupid pretty. Like, I just like to look at her. I couldn't watch that. Like, I couldn't. Like, I couldn't. Okay, you guys, so now that the eye is kind of like almost done, I'm gonna set it, but I don't wanna set it with that translucent powder because it's gonna make it almost look gray. I want it to still look black. So thankfully, I have a black eyeshadow in my glam bag. See, you can see on this side, it just made it more of a sheen, which I really like, but it's very pigmented. This is the Meech and Mia Gunmetal Pressed Eyeshadow. So it's black with like a sheen. It's gunmetal, basically. You see how it's like not as pretty with just the black paint? So I'm applying it with my SL Miss Glam L50 brush. This is a synthetic and cruelty-free brush. So this is perfect. And I'm actually also gonna contour with this. I mean, it's Halloween, like it's not supposed to look nice, right? Wait, what does it look like? Ew, like no. We're gonna be like the improved Frankenstein monster. We're gonna be like Frankenstein monster's like 2.0 glam gay version because I'm not gonna look this bad. Like I know how to contour, like they clearly didn't know how to contour, so it's fine. Like I'm just gonna like do it better than them, right? And now I look like a demon. Go around the lips because I'm gonna end up putting like a black lip product, but I want it to look very like smudgy. I think it's about that time that we make this just a little bit uglier. Contour the nose. Even though I'm like a Frankenstein monster, I should still have like a snatched nose. Like, what is this? Not gonna lie, I have the coolest job. Like, I get to look like a mess on the internet and y'all like live for it. And like next week, I'm gonna look a mess again. So stay tuned for Gabriel being a mess. Like this is a $5 witch. Like imagine if I had that nose and I just add more like green paint on it, I would have lived. Hey Target, hire me as your creative director for like Halloween makeup. And then we're gonna contour the jaw. You guys, I've been using the Madonna roller. I got it in the mail and like, don't tell me my jaw isn't defined. Oh my God, I was watching Hocus Pocus literally 2 days ago. I look like the guy that was with Winifred and he was the zombie and he came out of the thing. Like give me some hair and I'm that guy. Let's stitch my mouth. That would actually be a much better tutorial. Okay, so I'm kind of liking this blue eye look. So I grabbed this eyeshadow from my glam bag. This is the Nomad Cosmetics Stockholm Nordic Lights Intense Eyeshadow North Skin number 4. It's like this really beautiful blue. It's very pigmented, so be a little bit careful. This is like one of those times where I'm like, dang, all that pigment, okay, go off sis. And then I'm gonna apply it with my Inmo eyeshadow brush. This is a vegan and cruelty-free brush. And I kind of like that it just has like a pop on the eye and it's not just so silvery. And also it was in my glam bag and I wanted to use it for you guys. Like, what's this? Like this. Ooh, let's put some on the lower lash line. This is such a pigmented shadow, like even on top of black, okay. Okay, so now for lips. You know what? We're gonna keep it like a real millennial Frankenstein monster and we're gonna use Fenty Beauty's Uninvited liquid lipstick. Okay, you guys, so now the lips are plumped. I like actually live for the lips. Like, look how white my teeth are. Like, I should wear like lipstick all the time. So now let's create that scar he has across his forehead because we have to put in a brain, right? So I'm gonna use the scar wax that comes in this. If you watch my witch tutorial, this was a hot mess. A hot mess. It's not coming off my finger. No, it's like too sticky. It's not even like, what? Like, look, I'm confused. Sticking to my finger. But it was because I had a wig on the whole time. Let's just like create a scar. Garbage, Target. I'm sorry, Target. If you ever want to sponsor me, you can totally do it. You're not garbage. Please sponsor me. Oh, look, look, look. Dude, it's like sticking to me. It's sticking to my hand. Sticking to my finger. Dude, I'm just gonna rub it like that, and I'm just gonna go over it with a black shadow. Oh my God, I'm so smart. Like if I have a line of pimples at the end of this in this formation,
I'm gonna be mad, Target.
like I'm gonna be pissed. Once you rub that off your fingers, they will still remain sticky, just an FYI. But I'm gonna grab this tiny little brush. It's just like basically like, I don't know, like a liner brush. And I'm just gonna grab that black and create basically like a scar. I'm such a good makeup artist. You better hook me up with these special effects. So now let's do X's for the stitches. Okay, so fun story about stitches. I've never had stitches, you guys. I hope my cousin isn't watching this, but when I was younger, I was playing with my little cousin and we were just like playing out in the yard. He was like, I wanna say like 4. And we were gonna run upstairs to go get stuff. The stairs at that apartment were like, not even like concrete or cement, like rocks. Like just pebbled rocks formed into a step. Well, we were running and he was running and he tripped and fell and busted his chin open. Of course, my aunt was like going crazy and like she was so mad. She was like, what the fuck? He ended up getting stitches and he has a scar like right underneath his chin, and I feel really bad because I'm like, damn, if I had been taking better care of him, he probably wouldn't have that scar today. You cannot tell me that I did not save this Frankenstein. It's not Frankenstein. Frankenstein's son. Frankenstein's relative. Frankenstein's creation. Whatever. You know what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna call myself Frankenstein. I just look like a zombie more so, which I like low-key live. What else do I need? Oh, the bolts. Remember the double-sided tape? What tape? This.
Nikita Dragon.
Let's grab the blood. Oh, I saved that. Don't fuck with me.
Don't fuck with me.
Damn, sometimes even I'm like,
Oh wow, are you a beauty guru, Gabriel? Like, are you? Like, look at you going off, sis.
oh, I live. Okay, now, bolts. If this doesn't stick, then I'm gonna be a zombie. Like, I think I'm only Frankenstein because of the bolt. Is it gonna go? What the Target? You're making it really hard for me. This is like a struggle, sis. Can I put like lash glue? Like when I say fuck with me, I don't mean like actually fuck with me. Like, why are people fucking with me? Okay, so I put lash glue on it. Fingers crossed. Okay, so lash glue doesn't really work, you guys. I mean, it's Halloween. You don't even have to look perfect. Okay, we're gonna leave that there. Target, don't fuck with me. In the process, you know what? Let's add some highlight because like my cheekbones are like there. So I want to like accentuate them. This is from my Glam bag. This is the Incredible Cosmic Blur Iridescent Jelly. Woo! Oh my God, this is actually so cool. Okay. Damn, this jelly is kind of bomb. Okay. Down the bridge of the nose. The brow bone. Ooh, look. Don't tell me I don't look good. Dang. Okay. I really did that. That is being done at this moment. What is that? Oh, there's a suction to it. Oh, that's why it's sticking. Oh, wow. This is the moment I regretted doing the whole video. Yeah, you'll see. You'll see. I'm gonna have a hickey. Oh my God, it's gonna look like I have a boyfriend. Oh my God, it's gonna look like I'm not single. Oh my God, this is the best invention. I feel like the lips look a little matte, and there's like this like product in my Glam bag. This is the MAC Cosmetics lip gloss, and I'm kind of obsessed with it because it's like the gold one. So this is in the color Oh Baby. I'm obsessed with lip glosses by MAC, so I'm gonna keep it right here, look. Oh my God. Oh my God, this smells so fucking good. Why do I live? Actually, I'm gonna put this all over the lip. Fuck with me. Oh, damn it. Okay, so there's like one thing left. Give me 1 second, okay? Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Out of my Glam bag, there was 3 products that I didn't end up using. So the Nomad Cosmetics Around the World Light Infusion Powder in Positano Sunrise. Look at that, it's like pink, but with like a ship. This little nugget, this is the Tres Teak Mini Lip Glaze in English Rose. English Rosa. Oh wow, that's pretty. Look at that. Ooh, I definitely could have used that probably like to define the blood a little bit more if it wasn't so sticky. And then last, the perfect, literally the perfect color for me when it comes to contouring my nose. Hoola Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics is probably one of like the most popular neutrally based bronzers. Like it's not too warm, it's not too cool. It's right in the middle. So when it comes to like bronzing up your skin, contouring anything, this is really, really nice. And it's like the perfect size for like a nose contour brush. Like, and it's actually really close to my skin tone. Look at that. That's it. What's up? Don't tell me I didn't kill this. Like, that's not glue. That's like suction. Dude, I'm really gonna have hickeys. But whatever. It's fine. We do it for the internet. I look like this for y'all. You guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you like this 2-part series of $5 makeup that I buy at Target, give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already, if you're not, like literally this is like the end of the video. If you're not already, can you just subscribe to the channel and like hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a video? Just like hit, you know what, just hit that like button. If you hit that like button, I will live for you even more, okay? So just hit that like button. If you don't wanna subscribe, if you don't me like that, cool. But if I made you laugh, or if I made you smile, is there something there? No, it's not. No, it's the AC. It's the AC. You scared me. I was like,
No.
who the fuck is behind me? Who the fuck is behind me? Oh my God, you guys. I'm gonna try to figure out my life. If you're not already subscribed, hit that like button. Leave any comments, questions, concerns down in the comment section down below. And until next time, bye everyone. Oh wait, I have to recreate the look. Wait, before we say goodbye. Did I say bye everyone? I hope I did.